Haven't been getting very many eggs recently, and I think this is why. Not sure if you can see it very well. Got a nice king snake in the chicken coop. I've been looking for one, figured it might be around. And I like it when they eat gophers, but don't like it when they eat eggs. So I'm gonna take him out and send him on his way though. Let's see if I can capture this on video. If I capture it, it may actually be gone now because it was starting to move. I don't like snakes. There's his tail. You gotta be able to get his head. Well, yeah, I'm nervous about this. I'm not afraid of it because it's not poisonous, but still, you know, it's a freaking snake. There he is. Rich is there. He's coming to get out. But he don't like me either. I'm a big monster. But yeah. He's probably just gonna go right underneath the He's probably just gonna try to go right underneath the coop. There. Get him. He's big. Yep. Kind of strong too. And so, get away from my chickens, man. No, go. Hey, go. Don't go back there. You gonna try to go back to my coop? No, you don't. Uh-oh. No, hey, get back in there, chickens. Go, get back. Jeez. I'm only good at concentrating on one thing at a time. And are you gonna make me... You're gonna make me mess with you, are you? Man, you're a fat sucker. You're fat on eggs, aren't you? You little... I guess this is what you call snake in the grass. Hey, there he goes. Hey, all right. Go eat some moles. Do some good, man. And I wonder how many people watch this till the end. Hey. I don't know if this falls under do what you can with what you have where you are, but hey, there's mole protection against moles, I guess, unless they come and eat your eggs. Well, hey, God bless y'all. See you next time.